Hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna solve the emulator issue. As you can see here, I click on this devices. Then we have two devices. I'll select Pixel 3 API 30 and it's saying launching Pixel 3 and it's starting the emulator. So let's wait. And the emulator has started. It's saying waiting for Pixel 3 API 30 to connect. Let's wait. Oh, it says failed to launch Pixel 3 API 30. Emulator didn't connect in 60 seconds. So let's close this notification. And to solve this, we have to clear the existing data on the emulator. So I'll minimize it. And now I'll move on to wiping the data of the emulator and again restarting it. So first of all, let's close this emulator. And now we'll switch on to Android Studio. So let's open it. Okay, now from the menu section, you can select tools, go to AVD Manager and click on this. AVD Manager will open. Yeah, so here's the Pixel 3 API emulator and click on this down arrow here and you can see the option wipe data, which will wipe all your data of the emulator. So click on it and say yes. Done. Now as the data is cleared, we can close this AVD Manager and restart our VS Code. Then we go to select the emulator and it says it's launching. So let's wait. Okay, so it's started again and we have to wait for it to open. Yeah, Pixel is starting. And yeah, it's all. Now you can see in the bottom right that our emulator is connected now. And now you can try to run your code and it will work. For any queries, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, do leave a thumbs up. And more amazing videos are yet to come. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel. And we'll meet again very soon.